What's up, guys? Jeff George here with Let's Crush Life. So today I just wanted to give a little update on my side hustle that I do for its pizza delivery. And I get asked pretty often, how much money can you make delivering pizza? Well, I just got done working a shift, and I've been working a lot more shifts recently because of the whole economic standpoint of everything being shut down, and one of my main jobs is shut down. So I'm now delivering 4 or 5 nights a week. Uh, so I wanted to just get straight into the numbers. Let me pull my phone out so that I can do the math for you because I'm just awful at math. So anyway, I work for a smaller chain in small town Iowa, and we pay $7.50 an hour plus $1.50 per delivery. And you see, what's cool about that $1.50 per delivery is that's actually more than it costs for me to drive from one end of town to the other. And so I actually can get paid. I get paid off my delivery charge because I don't use all the money. And that's even including taking into account oil changes, because I drive a 2018 Cadillac CTS and it cost me $55 to get my oil change. And I can drive for 15,000 miles ish on single oil change, the power of synthetic oil. And anyway, guys, on top of that, so today's a Saturday. I'm probably going to post this video on a Monday, but I just worked for 4.5 hours, and I took 18 deliveries, and total I made $105. So if you think about that, if I took 18 deliveries, that means I ended up making $27 in delivery fees. Well, that means I made $78 in tips. So if you account for that, so let's add that all together. My 750 times 4.5, that's $33.75 plus 105. That's $138.75. Divide that by 4.5 hours. I made $30 an hour today. Like, that's not anything to joke at. You know, a lot of times people look down upon pizza delivery drivers and that kind of thing. And honestly, they never should, because you are hustling. You're doing stuff that other people aren't wanting to do, because it's nights and weekends that you're busy, and you make good money doing it. You know, granted, Saturday is the most busy day of the week for us, for anybody, most likely, but we still make decent money even if that's on a Tuesday and you take 8 deliveries. Like, you think about it, if you make over $15 to $20 an hour, you are making decent money for it to be just a part-time gig where you've got flexibility, it's low stress, you know, you just drive around, deliver pizza, and then when you're done, you might have a little side work to do, and then you clock out and you get to go home and you don't need to worry about anything else. You know, whereas me being the assistant director at a sports dome, that's what my normal nighttime job is, and it's being closed down because of the whole situation of basically the modern plague rolling around. And what's crazy to me is I actually, like tonight, I made more money delivering pizza than I would have there. So that really makes me wonder if they're paying me what I'm worth at my other job. But, you know, that's good money. I was going to film this video in my car, by the way, which is the reason for this suction cup. But it got too dark and I didn't have a chance to hook my camera up. I was so busy tonight. But hey, it's great money. And what's cool about it is you get cash every single night. Nothing beats clocking in and then leaving with some cash in your pocket, because you get instant gratification. And a combination between the flexible schedule and the low stress and the instant cash, it's a great part-time gig, especially, you know, if you're someone like me who wants to pay down debt. You know, I tend to spend my $7.50 that I make an hour just on random things and gas and that kind of thing. Well, all of my tips I take and then I put that in my bank account, and I'm paying down debt with it. And it's awesome because I'm really trying real hard to pay my Cadillac off. I drive a 2018 Cadillac CTS, and I actually do get a lot of compliments and questions on why I'm delivering pizza in it. Guys, like, I bought this car used. It's not that expensive compared to, a lot of other cars out there. I got it for $24,700, and it was a 2018. It was a year old and had 35,000 miles, so I did get a good deal on it. But people ask me why I don't just buy a beater vehicle if I'm making decent money. Well, the thing is, I don't ever plan to sell the Cadillac until it just gets scrapped, basically. If you're new to this channel, I mostly post about business, personal finance, and investing. And the thing is this Cadillac I have a car payment on, and it's going to be my last car payment unless I buy a toy, like a Lamborghini, Ferrari, Corvette, something. And so I plan to drive this car for a very long time. And if I'm driving around delivering pizzas, man, I want a reliable car. I want a car that is going to be very comfortable. It doesn't get much more comfortable than a Cadillac. And it's got Apple CarPlay, so that means all I have to do is just talk to my phone, hey, I want this address if I don't know where it is, and then go deliver it. It pops up on my touch screen and everything, and it's great. And so don't look down on pizza delivery drivers, guys. Like, we make decent money. I'm a plumber during the day and I deliver pizza at night. Like, ain't nothing wrong with that. And I'm paying down debt while you're spending money buying the pizzas, so quit judging. Anyway, guys, if you have any questions on that, just let me know. I'm going to go over a little bit on, what you can expect. So, how much money can you make during the week? This is for Mondays to Thursday shifts. And generally, Monday's the slowest day, Thursday is the busiest day, depending on, obviously your normal specials and everything like that. But I generally make about $50 a night even. So that's still great money. And my shift's normally a lot shorter than it is like now. So you just pop in for a couple hours after you're done with your day job and then deliver some pizza, deliver some slices of happiness to people, and then just disappear. I love it. It's something that I've done part-time, honestly, since college. It's just an all-around great second job. And it's a side hustle, and you don't have to do it forever, but I probably will for a long time just because it pays well. It's something I enjoy. And after my Cadillac's paid off, now I'm making profit, guys. I'm just crushing the profit game. I've been asked, do you feel safe delivering and that kind of thing? So, like, my hometown is a little river slum in Iowa, and honestly, violent crime is pretty bad. We're well above the national standard, and I don't feel unsafe when I'm delivering pizza. I just do my thing. I don't carry a lot of money on me. I actually leave all of the money I make in my car, and then just carry around my little change bag, and it's got $20 in it. That's it. And unless they tell me that they've got 100 or 50 or something, and it's ahead of time, then I say that that's all I got. And I've never been almost robbed or anything. And I've had people tell me that that's because you're a male, But honestly, girls, I think you can do this too. It's something for people who love to drive, want to turn their office into their car. If you've got a car and you like to park yourself behind that driver's seat, then I think delivering pizza could be something that you really enjoy. Anyway, guys, that's really all the update I've got for you on that. And I know that people want to know how much money you can make delivering pizza. So there you go. I just wanted to lay that out for you. And, $120 a night, that's a great night. If you think about it, that's your night job. That doesn't even count what you made during the day. So think about that. If you got any questions, let me know. I do plan on trying DoorDash at some point in the future because they actually offer it here in my little small town of Iowa. But I will update you when I deliver some for DoorDash as well. Anyway, guys, if this is your first time on the channel, I talk about investing, personal finance, and business. If you like that kind of content, and you want to pay down debt and maybe retire early because you want to get yourself out of the rat race, then drop a like and subscribe for me, because if you like a video on YouTube, not many people know this, but if you like a video on YouTube, then it will actually get pushed to way more people. So that would be awesome if you guys could do that for me. Anyway, I hope you guys have a fantastic day, and let's crush some life.